Hey guys, Concrafter here. Today I'm going to do something weird, I guess, right? So, don't know where my sister got these, but she has warhead. As you can see, it is not fake. Got my mouth watering just looking at them. See, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna try these.
Yeah, like she said, we're gonna try them. It was her idea, so yeah.
Okay.
This isn't about your friends.
Okay, grab yours.
I have no friends, so
Okay.
don't see what you're talking. Huh?
Okay, let's go.
Hey, what? Whoa.
Okay.
What? What's your hurry?
We have 5 minutes. Okay.
Well, I'm gonna have to edit that out, maybe a little. Bloopers. So, warheads. We like stuck them up at the same time.
Blue, blue. Okay,
Blue.
let's try that. In 3, 2, 1. By the way, we have no water. No! No! I need water.
She said no water, and yet miraculously, the thing's now the do. Now, I'm gonna do mine now.
You didn't even do it.
I'm a prankster.
Mine's watermelon.
Okay.
It's terrible.
I think I have lemon.
Did you spit it out? You guys are wussies. Where is it?
Garbage.
Wussy.
Tell him.
Wussy. Straight up.
I am no wussy. You saw me do it.
My tongue hurts so much. Oh.
No, people literally take, people literally take like 100 of these.
Well,
Blend them up and drink them.
well, that was that. Toodaloo.
I don't know what to say. Extra likes and comments for birds.
Fudgies. Gotta show them these ones.
Birds with warheads, yeah. Best video ever. It's the new trend, birds and warheads.
Okay, see you guys later.
Bye.